Are you a yoga teacher? Are you trying to figure out how to turn your passion for teaching yoga into a financially stable career? Have you sat down with a calculator and done the math and figure if you teach this many classes for this much per class, it's just not going to get you to where you need to be financially? I was in the same position many years ago, and if you're in that position now, where you'd like to turn your passion into a career but you're not sure how to get there, there's a very good chance I can help you. I'm leading a program, it's called Yoga Business Mastery. It's the program I wish I had when I first started out. Here's what you'll learn. The first thing is you need to learn how to fix your head trash. You need to overcome your fear of money, stop under-earning, and finally charge what you're actually worth as a yoga teacher. Listen, yoga is a $37 billion market. Why not you? You can obviously make a decent living if you know what you're doing. Number two is I'll show you how to become an expert. It's really, really important to understand that as a yoga teacher, you have unique skills, abilities, knowledge, and a background different from me, different from your colleagues, that'll really help you stand out and add more value. If you're a Me Too yoga teacher, you'll get Me Too pay, which is relatively low. When you learn to become an expert, usually your pay rate goes up by 2 to 3x very, very quickly. In every market, generalists starve and experts excel, both in terms of opportunity, but also in terms of income. Next, I'll show you how to get the gig. What I mean by that is I've hired myself over 150 yoga teachers, so I know what people like me need to hear to get hired. Whether you're trying to work in a yoga studio or a big box gym, whether you're trying to teach privates or get corporate gigs, you can use my copy-paste templates to watch the doors open up. A typical response rate is anywhere from 10 to 15% for cold outreach when you're looking for new jobs using my formula, using my templates. Next, I'll show you how to design your dream life. In the old days, when I first started teaching, really the gatekeepers were yoga studio owners. What I mean by that is, if you didn't have a job at the local studio, if you didn't know the local yoga community, if you didn't have connections, you just didn't really have many opportunities. That's not the case anymore. There are now more opportunities outside of yoga studios than inside. This means that for business-minded teachers, for teachers with some strategy and they understand where they can add value, there are more opportunities than there are hours in the day. And finally, I'll show you pricing and packaging. This is a huge sticking point for many teachers. If you're like I was when I first started out, I would just run around chasing class to class, paycheck to paycheck, and I made it work, but just barely, just week to week. When you learn how to actually package your services and price them accordingly, suddenly you can relax and put your focus on teaching and not be marketing, selling, and worse, not be running around teaching every single class that you can scrounge up. Before we go any further, I want to make it clear what this program is not. This is not a program about studio ownership. Studio ownership used to be a great opportunity, not anymore. All the big gyms, all the big yoga studios, they've actually gone bankrupt. Lots of them are closing. It's not a great opportunity anymore. This is also not about influencer marketing or personal branding. That stuff's a waste of time. Finally, it's not about physical products, and it's definitely not about essential oils. This Yoga Business Mastery course is about taking the skills that you already have, teaching great classes, and then scaling that, packaging that, and presenting it in a way where you can actually build a financially viable career. It worked for me, it can work for you. I know it can. I was the quintessential yoga bum. When I first started teaching yoga, I had a backpack, I had a pair of flip-flops, and a guitar. That was literally all my possessions fit in one bag. I would run around teaching every class I could, and for a while there, it was really fun. But let's face it, I was broke. And there's nothing wrong with being poor. Being broke, it really teaches you to be resourceful. It teaches you how to live simply. These are really great things, but at some point it also starts to really limit you, because I realized I was making decisions based on fear and based on uncertainty rather than passion and purpose. To be really specific, I wanted things like health insurance, which I didn't have for years. I wanted to be able to start a family. I wanted some stability, maybe someday to buy a home, and none of that was possible with my early lifestyle. I enjoyed it, but it wasn't a long-term plan. You're probably in a similar place right now. There's a very good chance that I can help if that's where you are. I just want to make it clear so you know who I am. I've been teaching full-time since 2003. I've owned 4 different yoga studios in 2 different countries. I've taught in 7 countries. I have 3 kids, had those along the way. I have certified over 21,000 yoga teachers, and the majority of my time right now I spend training teachers and helping teachers launch successful businesses for themselves, whether that's teaching at home, online in your living room, whether that's teaching at the biggest, baddest yoga studio in town, anything and everything in between. Here's how this program works. It's a 12-day intensive. It's a boot camp learning how to go from zero to launch wherever you are. If you're recently certified, perfect. If you've been teaching for years but you're frustrated, also perfect. All the same rules apply. We'll go module by module into a live course. So you'll join me live for a 1-hour intensive lecture, after which I'll do a live Q&A where I'll answer every single question based on my experience, based on my referral group, and based on the experience of all the people in the course. You'll also be participating in real-time discussions in a chat group with fellow yoga teachers all around the world so we can support each other, share resources. It's kind of like the tide that rises all of the ships. This is the program that I wish I had when I first started out. I got really lucky. When I first started, I met two mentors. These two women, they were both about 10 years my senior, and they were way further along in the yoga business than I was. I was also really fortunate to have a business coach, and he also played a tremendous role in helping me understand how all of this stuff works beyond just chasing class to class to class. The reality is, though, it still took me quite a few years, and it took me many, many thousands of dollars. And my hope is that with this program, it can be your shortcut. Within 12 short days, I'll give you a North Star, an action plan, but most importantly, real life tactical things that you can do that will move the needle straight away in your business. Just think about this right now. I'm not sure if you realize this, but there are yoga teachers right now who travel and teach seasonally all around the world. I have friends, colleagues, graduates who teach at health resorts where they get their accommodation paid for, their food paid for, their flights paid for. I have colleagues who work in public schools, who work daytime hours, who make 2 to 3x what people make in a yoga studio, who have fixed contracts. Some of them even have pension plans. A lot of people are teaching in private schools, in public schools even. Tons and tons of our graduates are now working from home, teaching on Zoom. This is a fantastic opportunity. I even have one colleague, one graduate, and she teaches using online bulletin boards. And last year alone, she got over 100 clients and she spent absolutely zero on marketing. These are just a handful of opportunities that I'd like you to think about and just to whet your palate, to understand that there are more opportunities than there are hours in the day. What yoga teachers often say is that the yoga market's so saturated, there's no opportunities left. This couldn't be further from the truth. There are lots and lots of yoga teachers, this is true, but almost none of them, like less than 2%, actually treat this like a business, which means if you're business minded, if you have a basic strategy, and probably you'll need some support as well, again, you will find that there are lots and lots of things locally, nationally, and even internationally that you can explore that will really light you up and help you to serve your community and your new community at the highest level. I'm really excited about this program. I'm excited to learn about your story and your unique journey. Thanks so much for your interest. All the details are down below, and I very much hope that you can join us.